Diana and Roma family.
What a mess! Mom? Kids, stop throwing toys around. Clean it up.
Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
I know what to do. The vacuum will help us to clean it fast. Let's begin!
Stop!
Oh, the vacuum cleaner is broken. Oh no! Our toys! Don't worry. We'll fix it. We're inside the vacuum cleaner. Let's find our toys.
Yes!
The first toy!
One,
One more toy.
two,
Another one.
3, 4,
A bear. Look.
5,
A dog. A dog.
6.
Yay! We found all our toys. We made it. We won't ever use the vacuum cleaner without adults again.
Oh, yes!
Let's paint.
Green.
I have a joke for Diana.
Pink.
Diana, what is in here? Where? Here. Oh no! Why are we
Subscribe to
done?
my channel.
Don't worry, we will
And
do the
also press
laundry.
this bell icon.
Okay.
Let's go!
Yes.
La la la, la la la.
Wait.
Huh?
I don't know how to do laundry. Me neither, but we'll figure it out.
Let's start!
Washing capsules. Do you think one is enough? Let's add all of them for maximum bubbles. Let's go play! What's that? Let's go and check. The washing machine is broken. Let's fix it.
Yes!
We need to pop all the bubbles. Let's begin. Go, go, go. 3, 2, 1. Yay!
We fixed the washing machine!
Yes, but we'll never do the laundry ourselves again.
Let's go!
Let's watch a movie.
Subscribe to my channel.
No, cartoons.
And also press this bell icon.
Movies! Cartoons! Movies! Cartoons! Movies! Cartoons! No! It's broken! Let's fix it. Oh my god, we're inside a TV! What should we do? We should clean up all the webs from here. Okay.
Also
children,
press
be
this
careful
bell
using
icon.
any appliance and don't use it without your parents' supervision.